Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do a quick DIY brow lift, or better known as the brow lamination. And of course I got it off of Amazon, so I'll leave that link down below. So this is everything it came with. Oh yes, and make sure you read the instructions first of all, and also either test a spot behind your ear, or I did it on my hand like a day before just to make sure your skin isn't too sensitive for it. Okay, so I'm using the cleanser first to just clean my eyebrows and skin, make sure I get all that excess oil off. Okay, so step one, I'm going in with the brow glue. After I put the glue on my brows, I brushed them so they can stay in place. I did have to start moving a little fast because I felt like the glue was going to dry. Don't mind me, I was looking at the bottle. I know I look crazy, but this is step 2, the perm cream. And you want to make sure you have a good amount on your brows, not too much and not too little. Okay, now I'm applying the saran wrap for my brows. I do recommend you having everything like already set out just so it could make the process faster. But anyway, yeah, I left my eyebrows setting for like 8 minutes. No, the longest is 10, but for the first time I chose to do 8. So here is the little plastic comb things it also came with, and in between that 8 minutes, like halfway through, I just combed my brows just to keep them in place so they don't move or anything. Alright, so this is after the 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna wipe that perm cream off. You're supposed to do it gentle because I feel like, you know, if you ever had a relaxer or a perm, you know how like, or if you use Nair, you know how it makes your hair look like thin or squiggly. That's how I feel my eyebrows were looking, and I'm a little heavy-handed, so don't wipe it off as hard as I was doing. Okay, so now I'm going in with step 3, the fixation cream. This is like the cream, I guess, that gives it like that semi-permanent look. So make sure you apply a good amount. Again, not too much, but not too little. Again, I'm covering my brows with some more saran wrap, just like the perm cream before. And I don't know why I didn't do both brows at the same time, but now I'm just gonna repeat the same step. Okay, so just like before, halfway through those 8 minutes, I'm gonna use that tool to brush my brows back up if any moves out of place. Again, I'm wiping off the excess product out my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use some of the cleanser to get everything else off. Okay, so here's the last step. I'm using some nutritional oil just to coat all of my brows so they can be nice and moisturized. So this is how they came out. I like them a lot. Now I just need to clean them up some and fill them in. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you do like it, and also subscribe down below if you haven't done so. Bye!